Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the giant mouse Biblio Ace here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like this video, and you know what, if you are in a good mood, why don't you subscribe to the channel? It's gonna be fantastic. We're gonna have so much fun. I'm gonna show you a bunch of knives that you're gonna love it. So go ahead and smash that button. Let's go ahead and take this guy down. I need also to thank my buddy Blair for sending this guy along. Thanks, man, I appreciate that. You know, so I'm able to share my impressions and to share some of these cool videos like with you guys. So let's see, I think we're gonna need a T6 yeah, for these screws, yeah, and a T8 for the pivot. We're not gonna need that, but so yeah, we got 1, 2, so we need to remove probably this scale first, and yeah, let's do it. So start with the T6 right over here, and boom, we are in business. Let's do this, guys. Let's see, so that's gonna be 1, and this is gonna be 2. You got 3 standoffs, nice and solid construction. 2. And then we can leave that on. We don't need to remove that. So let's just tackle those here. So here, this is nice. You want to reverse the clip, you can do it. I think this is holding also the scale in place. So we have to remove that. And here you got your spinning pivot. Nice. With a T8, this guy is gonna help us in this task. So just put 1 screwdriver on this side. I like to hold it down in place like that firmly, have us like a safe grip, and then starting on this side very slowly and gently, you see, like that, and comes out. Have this like clamped down like firmly, steadily. And this guy's just gonna pop out like so. Very nice. So this is out. Pinch it, look, pivot's coming out. And like that, we can just open gently the blade. So the scale should pop off like that. And another T6 in the house to hold this business in place. So, and this is out. So that's the 3rd screw for the standoff, and liner comes out. You get some made in Italy goodness going on over here. Ceramic ball bearings. Actually, these looks like skiff bearings. And then microfiber cloth, nice and slicey blade over here. Let's just clean out this. These are not the original. This is not the original color for the scales. They have been re-dyed. And here you have a nice construction, I have to say. It's pretty well made. I mean, it's a giant mouse. It needs some tune-up, but they're well made. I mean, these are skiff bearings. Maybe Blair put these on. Yeah. I think he mentioned, because I'm not sure. I don't think they're not for sure. No. All right, guys. So we are all cleaned up. Let's just so the pivot is spinning. So who cares? We're gonna go like that, and we're gonna go with these like 3 drops of nano oil for this bearings on this side, and then we have the pivot in place. We got the blade in place. Let's reduce a little bit of the tension. And now we're gonna do 1, 2. There was a big drop, so 2. It's gonna be fine. This goes in. Maybe we want to do a little bit of that goodness 85 weight nano oil on the ball, on the detent ball. Then liner goes in like so. And then we've got to reverse the procedure and do this screw, tiny screw. Be really gentle, guys with this T6 tighten it down. Don't do it too much. Don't overdo it. Release the tension and check that this screw is in, you see, like that. That is good, with no tension here. And that is how you do it. Then this scale can really go back. You keep that because you have another 2 T6, and this is 1. And it's all the way down, and that's the second one right here. In place. Beautiful. And now we've got to deal with this screw here, which is just for the clip. If you want to reverse it and grab some blue Loctite, coat the inside of this thread, and boom. And that's how you do it. It's spinning, of course. There's blade play, of course, but we are just gonna do like that. All right. Hold that in place. Tighten this guy down. Blade is centered. Action is, let's see. I think, sorry, I think we can, sorry. I think you can remove a little bit of that tension on the pivot, like so. Hold it nicely. And just maybe like that. Oh no, that's way too off center. So this guy has to go right back there. So that's it. Yeah, that's actually feeling pretty good. Nice. Blade center. There's no blade play. This is a slicer, guys. Tiny flipper tab. You can just thumb flick it. You can spider flick it. Actually, it's much more fun than the flipper tab. I like the action. Nice and snappy. Controlled gliding closing action. Really, really cool one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.